Hey everyone, this is Trevor at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Summer's approaching, so we just want to talk about the importance of an AC performance check. With sweltering summer temperatures just around the corner, now is a great time to get your poorly performing air conditioning system repaired before you depend on it to survive even the quickest drive across town. But even if your AC system seems to be chugging along just fine, it's still important to schedule regular maintenance, and for your heating system as well. You probably don't plan on cranking up the heater for several months, but believe it or not, your car's heating system is responsible for cooling your car's engine on hot days. And the AC system plays a vital role during the colder months as well. Ignoring performance issues can definitely lead to expensive repairs down the line. A mixture of water and antifreeze circulating through the engine block and radiator release the excessive heat into the atmosphere. And on cold days, that heat can also be redirected into the car to provide warmth for you and your passengers. The AC compressor is the most important component of your car's air conditioning system, so it's no surprise that it's also the most expensive part to repair or replace. Regular maintenance ensures proper refrigerant and lubrication levels, which reduce the risk of premature compressor failure. Also, the most common air conditioning system problems involve minor issues like blockages or leaks, which are much easier to deal with if caught early during regular maintenance. And as an added bonus, regular AC maintenance can also improve your car's fuel efficiency, leaving more money in your wallet for summer fun. Thanks again everyone for watching. My name is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more in Show Low, Arizona. Please like, comment, or share, and we'll see you soon.